Hi guys, my name is Emre and welcome to the second episode to building my dream kitchen. So guys, today what I'm gonna do is the washing area, this place. Today I will do here stones. I have some leftover stones from the house. Here, I don't know how it's called in English. And I will put them till here. It will be after waterproof, much more clean and hygienic. Am I did it before? No. I watched some YouTube videos how the prof is doing it, and it's not look so easy, but let's see. I'm gonna try it. I hope it's working. So guys, I have really luck. This everything is left over. Even not open the package some, and I don't have to buy nothing at all. Guys, I read the comments. I'm so happy about it. You guys write me so nice motivation things. Everybody say it's so nice place, so big area. You're gonna do nice, you're gonna do perfect, whatever. And one of you write me every long route. It's starting with the first step. Thank you very much for this motivation words. Thanks a lot, guys.
Invincible.
So guys, this was the second episode. Thanks for watching. If you still didn't subscribe me, push the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for the news.